Sunlight charged water, why to drink this liquid and how to make it at home. What is sunlight charged water?
The sun has a special place in Indian culture, right from worshipping the Sun Lord to healing body pain by soaking up the vitamin D from the rays or just relaxing under the sun. It is believed that the rays of the sun has healing powers, which can treat many health issues.
According to the books of Ayurveda, there are several ways to reap the benefits of sunlight to prevent and cure several health problems. One such way is sunlight charged water. Here's all you need to know about this age-old healing potion and how to make it at home. What exactly is sunlight charged water?
Ayurveda experts, this process of creating sunlight charged water is known as Surya Jal Chikitsa. Sunlight charged water is basically water which is left under the sunlight to absorb the goodness of sun's rays. It is believed that this water has magical healing properties that help in boosting overall health and curing several health issues.
The age-old secret potion. According to the Vedic culture, Surya Jal Chikitsa is an age-old healing technique, wherein the sunlight-charged water was consumed to heal several ailments. It was believed that this water increased longevity. As per the books of Ayurveda, it is believed that when sunlight falls on water, it enhances the molecular structure of the water, it gives energy to the water and makes it alive. Here are some benefits of sunlight-charged water.
What happens when you drink sunlight-charged water?
Sunlight-charged water has powerful antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, which is great for the body and skin. As per the books of Ayurveda, drinking this water daily may help in curing digestive issues such as heartburn, ulcers, and improves gut health. Sunlight has always been a great source of vitamin D, and thus sunlight-charged water was also a great way to boost strength and bone health. It was majorly used for treating skin issues like rashes, skin allergies, and also helps in naturally giving a healthy glow to the skin and helps in hydration. However, one must seek medical guidance before switching to this water as a source of healing.
How to make sun-charged water at home?
Bottle fill it with water and place it under sunlight for a minimum of 8 hours. Traditionally, this water was kept under the sunlight for 3 days for 8 hours. Avoid refrigerating this water. It reduces the health-enriching properties of the water. Thanks a lot for watching this video.
Om Shanti. Peace, love and blessings. Bye bye.